Is she gonna come and peek out?
Hi, Maitland.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing excellent.
What are your names? Jessica. Jessica?
And I'm Michael. How you doing?
And Michael, what you got there?
I got a little box that I could see you and record and get to see it later on in the future.
Sticking you in a lantern.
Yeah, I'm sticking you in a
No,
lantern.
I don't like that.
It's just so I can see you later on. It's just
Don't worry, you'll
you're so
Alright,
memorable.
free
So
Mainlander. Silly Mainlander.
yeah.
So what part of the mainland are you from?
We are depends where I feel. We're locals. We're from Orlando, Florida.
Orlando, Florida.
Yes.
It's hot there.
Not right now.
Not right now? Chilly.
No, it's a little nippy for
Chilly?
us. But,
A
yeah.
little chilly. So do they have animals there?
Yeah, they have animals.
Especially down where I live. We
Where do
have
you
a lot of animals. We have wild turkeys and deer.
Ooh, I like it. I might have to come visit them.
Do you?
You leave journal for me?
Yeah. Can I? Hold on. Give me a second. You get to sign the very first page.
Yay,
How lucky
your
are
adventures
you?
must just be starting today, huh?
Yes. But what would you say is your favorite animal?
Well, my favorite animal changes every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like all animals.
Do you take care of the eggs and stuff too for those?
I sure do.
Yeah. Do you want to hold the camera while we take a picture?
What's your favorite
I
animal?
haven't a clue how to take a
I like
picture, Michael.
Yeah, they're wild.
Which
and
button,
crazy.
Michael?
Just record. We can screen
Okay.
capture. You want to take a picture?
Sure.
Pixie Switch. And what's your favorite? Favorite animal? Oh, I love bears. Bears. Bears are cool.
Awesome. You are awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right.
Now we're gonna cheer.
Flying over to video.
Thank you very much. And we're just gonna continue holding it. Yes, please.
Get your Tinkerbell there.
Really fast?
Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a camera.
I'm really fast. You're very Matt, where'd Kevin go?
That's cool. I like that.
That's cool.
I was having fun torturing him.
Hey Tink, how are you?
I'm good.
Have you been tinkering with anything lately? Thank you.
Bits and pieces.
Bits and pieces.
I'm taking a break. Because you know I'm in charge of all the fireworks. I had to tinker new fireworks for Christmas and then new fireworks again for New Year's Eve. I need a break.
What's your favorite color firework?
Favorite color firework?
Yeah.
I kind of like copper fireworks because copper is my favorite color.
What do you use when you use copper?
What do you mean, what do I use?
Like, you gotta use like berries and leaves and stuff to make like red and green and blue.
Well, copper fireworks, what I usually do is I take my copper pots and pans and I melt them down and I crush them up into little itty bitty pieces. And then when we shoot them out, the iridescent shines their light on them and then they sparkle. It's not that complicated. Not all the fireworks are made out of leaves.
So Tinker Fairies are kind of like rock fairies. Then you're like a miner. You
Kinda.
mine?
I don't mind.
Mine, like you
No,
dig like a
Well,
dwarf.
no, I don't mind. I'm not like a dwarf. I find stuff. I find lost things on shore, and then I make stuff.
Do you share your lost things with Peter sometimes?
Sometimes I found him the never bird feather, the red one that helps him fly. He is my best friend.
You want to take a picture?
Of course.
Awesome.
One more.
There we go.
Do you know how to crow like Peter Pan?
Yeah, you want me to? Alright.
That is impressive.
That is beyond impressive.
I like you. Slap me some dust.
Yeah.
You're awesome.
Woo!
You didn't want one?
You want a picture?
Or are you going to be like Wendy Bird and just
Yeah, you know.
have an attitude? I have a lot of I know. Well,
Did you bring the Wendy bird?
Thank you.
She was for a second, but I broke her out of that.
You know, I've never met the Wendy bird, but I feel like we would get along very well.
I think we would.
Well,
Do you want to fly on over here, humans?
Vidya, can I just say, between you and me, you are my favorite fairy.
Well, thank you, human. You have very good taste. Now, why is that? Is it because I'm the fastest?
I think you are super fast, and that is what appeals to me about you. And you make the cyclones, and with help, you can make the hurricanes and the tornadoes.
Yeah.
And,
You want me to send one your way for when you get home?
ooh, I don't know. Maybe.
I will, and you're welcome. In advance.
Okay.
Now, are we going to take a picture?
Yeah, we can take a picture.
Let's see.
I learned how to dance when I
When you're ready, man.
And right here.
Yeah.
Great.
Perfect. We're doing a pixie switch?
Yes, we're doing a pixie switch.
No, no skydiving in the
Now,
park with that
since you're on
parachute.
the wide open, let's take a Perfect. We're doing backpack? Yes, you have to mind the wings because they are the biggest.
And pixie.
Mom will do it too. But a dance. We're gonna dance with her.
How sticky is the mud, Vidya?
Which mud?
The mud you get stuck in.
Oh, I mean, it's not so bad. My wings can usually get me out of it
Yeah.
unless, they've been rained on or
Have
something.
you ever heard of mud? Have you heard of mud baths?
Mud baths?
Yeah, they're really
Does it sound like
relaxing.
something I would like?
It's awesome. You should try it out sometime.
They're really great.
Yeah.
She'll stick with the Wendy bird.
Yeah. Peace. Thank you very much.